Hey guys, it's Ariannitalagringa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to the furniture store. So come along with me and let's go inside. Right now, I'm inside a furniture store. And what is furniture? Furniture is large objects or things that you can move around your house, and you can have furniture in your house or at your workplace. That way it makes it suitable to live in and work in. Now we're going to play a little game. I'm gonna play I Spy with my little eye. So you guys are the spies and I'm gonna give you clues on the object I want you to guess on. For example, I spy with my little eye a piece of furniture you can sit down on, where it's next to a table where you can eat. You can also sit down and relax on it. What's it called? Yes, you've guessed it. This is a chair. Chair. I am sitting on a chair, and inside the furniture store, there are multiple chairs next to a table. This is a table. There are different sizes of chairs. This chair is taller than this one because this table is taller than this one. Basically, this chair is perfect with this table. If I were to use this chair next to this table, it would be way too tall. This chair is perfect for this table. So in this section of the furniture store, there are many chairs and different kinds of tables. But I spy with my little eye something over there. Let's go ahead and check it out. I spy with my little eye something you can put in your dining room next to the table and chairs. It's where you can store your dishes, glasses, and nice items. Yes, that's called a china cabinet. This is a china cabinet, and there are two doors. You can open it up, and inside you can store china or really nice dishes. Let me know down below if you have a china cabinet in your home, in your dining room, next to your table and chairs. My dad has a china cabinet in his dining room where he keeps the most beautiful dishware. He keeps glasses, plates that are only used for special occasions. For example, for Easter, for Christmas, we'll normally use china. This is another china cabinet and it costs $999. And this china cabinet also has two glass doors, and below the china cabinet, there are 4 drawers where you can pull out and store more china. This is a drawer. You can pull out the drawer and see what's inside. This drawer is empty, so I'm going to push it back in. I spy with my little eye something gray. You can sit on it. You can have multiple people sit on it next to you. It's normally in your living room, and you can sit down on it, watch some TV, and eat some popcorn. Also, there are 2 names for it. This is a couch, or you can call it a sofa. Couch or sofa. This couch or sofa costs $2,799, and it comes with 3 pillows. This is a pillow. It also comes with a USB port where you can charge your phone. Before continuing the video, I want to introduce to you today's sponsor, italki. When you are learning a new language, the speaking environment is very important, and having real native speakers is one of the best ways to improve your fluency. At italki, their teachers are certified native speakers. You can also get one-on-one customized language lessons. Have you noticed any improvement in your students while they learn English on italki?
Yeah, I have noticed a lot of improvements.
What are some of the most common mistakes your students make?
With their tenses, as well as comprehension issues. So it's kind of hard if they hear somebody from like Ireland speak English opposed to American English.
How can your students become more confident and not be afraid to speak English?
I usually like to go in the angle of starting with topics that they have interest in.
As you can see, you can find excellent and committed teachers on italki. I've checked that you can find over 150 languages you can learn from. Also, prices begin from $5 per class, and the best part is you can pay per lesson. There isn't a subscription. This video is sponsored by italki, but I only recommend a product if I think it's useful. If you want to improve your English speaking skills, use my code Ariannita. Buy $10 and get $5 for free for your first lesson today. The discounts are only available for the first 50 users, so be quick. Use my link in the description to start your own italki experience. Let's get back to the video. I am sitting on another type of couch or sofa, but this one feels a lot different from the other one because this material is leather. This is a leather couch, and this is the backrest, and it moves so I can move forward or I can lean back like that. This leather couch also has a USB port where you can plug in your cable and charge your phone, and it also has a wireless charger, so I can charge my phone just like that. Also, I have an armrest. I'm resting my arm on this console, so I can open it up and store things inside. Right now, I'm standing on a rug, and this rug costs $229. This rug is beautiful because there are different colors, so you can see orange, some gray spots, and yellow. Personally, I feel like this rug is way too small for this couch. This rug that I'm standing on is bigger than that rug, and personally, I like to have a big rug in a living room because it makes the space look a lot bigger. Here, it's pretty common to have a rug in your living room, a sofa, and on top of the rug, a coffee table or just a table where you can place drinks, you can place beautiful artwork, and books on top of it. This is another type of coffee table, and this one is really cool because you can lift it up and you can also store things like books or CDs, and then you can close it. This is the same type of coffee table, but it's just a different color. This one's white and this one's brown. And also, it's very common to have a lot of light in your living room. So next to the sofa or the couch, you can have a floor lamp. And in this store, next to every couch, there is a lamp or a floor lamp. That is a floor lamp, and this is a table lamp. And you can turn it on by twisting the switch. And it lights up. Now I'm going to turn it off. I was walking around in the back of the store, and look what I found. I found free ice cream, free candies, and free coffee. When something says F-R-E-E, I'm on it. I love free things, so I'm going to try some ice cream. I don't think I could work inside this store because personally, I would be eating this ice cream and different types of candy every single day. I spy with my little eye something that's shiny, something that reflects light, something where you can see your reflection. For example, I can see my reflection. This is called a mirror. Yes, mirror. And this is one of the hardest words to pronounce in American English. So there are two ways to pronounce it. The first way is with 2 syllables. Mirror. Mirror. And the second way is when you speak really fast. You say mirror. Mirror. In the United States, people normally pronounce this word mirror. Mirror. This mirror costs $299. There are different kinds of mirrors inside the store. This is a floor mirror where you can see your whole body. This is another type of mirror, but it's attached to a dresser. So this is a dresser and this is a mirror. And this dresser can hold many types of clothes because you can pull out each drawer. There's nothing inside right now, but you can store your clothes, and this dresser will go in your bedroom. I spy with my little eye a piece of furniture where you can sleep on it or you can rest on it. This is a bed. Bed. Right now, I am sitting on the bed. I am lying on the bed, and I'm in the bed. I'm in the bed because I'm below the covers. When you're on the bed, you're on top of the sheets or covers. But when you're in the bed, you're underneath the sheets or covers. Under your covers and your sheets on your bed, there will be a mattress. This is a mattress, and you sleep on the mattress. This mattress doesn't have any sheets or covers because it's on display. And mattresses come in different sizes. For example, the biggest size is this one. This is a king-size bed. It is huge. You can have up to 3 Ariannitas in this bed. 1, 2, 3. This is a queen-size bed. It can hold up to 2 people. And this is a twin-size mattress. This twin-size bed is normally just for 1 person. And this store also sells mattress protectors. And this will protect your mattress from stains. And they have different sizes of mattress protectors. The first one is the twin-sized bed, the full, queen, and king. Right now, I'm sitting on a recliner. This is a recliner because I can lean back and recline. Right now, I'm so comfortable. Next to the recliner, this is a nightstand. It'll normally go beside your bed, and you can have a lamp on top of the nightstand, and you also have 3 drawers. So you can pull out and store some things inside the drawers. By the way, I like that this store has a bunch of USB ports in the furniture. For example, the sofa had it, and also this nightstand has a USB port, so you can charge your phone next to your bed or in your living room. And this is a TV stand, but in the TV stand, there's a fireplace. This is a fireplace, but it's an electric fireplace, so this remote controls everything. So I can turn up the heat, make it nice and warm, or I can just turn it off. This fireplace looks really cool and it looks very real. Would you guys personally like to have a fake fireplace, an electric one, in your house, or would you rather have a real fireplace? Let me know down below. Okay everybody, that's all for today's video, and I hope you guys learned a bunch of furniture vocabulary. What other places would you like me to visit and teach all of you American English? Go ahead and give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!